Today I'm going to show you how to install a preset on the Fender Tone Master Pro that you may have purchased or downloaded from a site such as mine, johnsguitargarage.store. So let's say you've bought or you downloaded a preset from my site, johnsguitargarage.store. What you will receive in most cases is a zip file. In this case, Eric Johnson v2.zip. The first thing you need to do is unzip this file. On a Mac, that's as easy as double clicking. You'll now get a folder called Eric Johnson, which you can open, and you'll see some instructions, which are actually the installation instructions, and a file called .preset. In this case, JGG Eric Johnson v2.preset. That's the file that you're going to need to install onto the Tone Master Pro. The next thing you need to do is launch the Fender Pro Control app. So on your desktop computer, launch the Pro Control app and you'll see this screen. Now be aware that if you've clicked on the Fender icon in the side nav here, which I've highlighted, you'll be in the factory presets section. You can't install a custom preset into the Fender factory presets, so make sure you go back to My Presets, the first option in the menu on the left. So now you want to grab your preset file, drag it onto the Pro Control app, and you'll see that the app turns blue. Release the mouse button, and that will install the preset onto your Tone Master Pro. Now you can see here I've used effects from the latest firmware version at this time, 1.6, the analog chorus, the kinetic reverb, and the Comic Sans drive. If you are using an older firmware version, this preset won't work. So make sure you check instructions for people's presets and make sure you're updated to the firmware version that the preset supports so that everything works correctly. Now, as I said before, John's Guitar Garage is a place where you can find some Fender Tone Master Pro presets. I have some preset packs, such as the JGG Satch pack, which are some Satriani-inspired tones. There's multiple presets in that pack. There is an 80s rock preset pack that covers all of the bands listed in the description here. And Van Halen, I've just added a new preset called EVH AFU, which is an OU812 era preset. And I also added the Scorpions preset too. So I do add to these and update them. And if you've purchased them in the past, you get the updates for free. There are some individual presets as well, such as the Eric Johnson preset, Iron Maiden here, and Alan Holdsworth. But I've also made some of my presets available for free download, such as the John Mayer Live Tone and the John Sykes era Whitesnake preset. So why not head over to johnsguitargarage.store, grab my free presets. If you like what you hear, you might want to come back and purchase some of my other presets. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.